Hello HCMC stock holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the HCMC stock absolutely, and a previous time the massive gains occurred by the HCMC. HCMC is taking a huge pump in a previous time, so absolutely that's really good news for all of you and also for me that HCMC price pump, my friends. Anyways, in this video I'm talking about the latest update, so keep watching this video complete, and if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and also like this video, my friends. My friend, at this time the latest price of the HCMC stock is about 0.0011 USD dollar. And other side, if we talk about the price of changes of the HCMC stock, so this time the price changes of the HCMC stock is neutral. Not goes upward, not goes down, my friends. Furthermore, my friends, you can see that the current price is the highest price and the lowest price is 0.0010 USD dollar, my friends. And now the opening price is 0.00011 USD dollar, my friend. That is the currently opening price of the HCMC stock, my friends. So my friends, if we do a prediction of the HCMC stock, so I think you can see now this time the price is in the pumping mood. Just look here, my friends, the latest update. Let me zoom it for more and better understanding, my friends. Let me zoom it. Now this time the price, you can see here, just look here. Now this time they start pumping, the price start moving upward. So that's really a great news for all of you. My prediction is positive about HCMC stock. What do you think, my friends? What is your prediction till? Is the price pump in the future or not? Tell me in the comment box, my friends. And you know what, my friends, personally I'm feeling very good about HCMC stock, my friends. I'm feeling very good. It seems stock absolutely they will give you a good amount of profit, and you know what, the price is very fastly going to increase, my friends. So that's really great news. How do you feel it about HCMC stock? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.